Hi, it's Elise Corbin, Conservation Education Coordinator for Peter Francisco Soil and Water Conservation District, serving Buckingham and Cumberland counties in the state of Virginia. Today, we are going to pretend like we are a rock. We're going to take part of the rock cycle. Did you know rocks have a cycle? Well, if you've been learning from our other previous videos, you already know this. But let's get started. I've got a handy dandy pipe cleaner here, and I've curled the end up. And I'm going to start at a station. This station happens to be weathering and erosion. We have magma, weathering and erosion, magma, cooling and hardening or crystallization, melting, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, to the surface, igneous rock, sediments, high pressure and temperature, compaction and cementation. So these are the 11 stations that we have, that we could be in as our journey on the rock cycle. Let's go ahead and just start here at station 1, compaction and cementation. So now I'm just a little fragment that's being compacted and cemented together. It tells me to go to sedimentary rock, because guess what? Now I'm becoming a sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rock is over here. Let's pick up a bead from sedimentary rock. All right, let's roll our die. It tells me go to melting. Oh no, I'm melting. Pick up a bead. So now I go to magma. What's the difference between magma and lava? Magma's inside the earth crust, and lava's what flows out. It extrudes through a volcano, right? I'm still in magma. Stay where I am. So I'm still feeling the heat in the center of the earth. Alrighty. Go to cooling and hardening. So obviously I came out and to the surface, and I'm cooling and hardening now, the magma. Ooh, maybe I'm forming a beautiful crystal or a basalt rock. Let's see. You're still at cooling and hardening. Stay where you are. You're still at cooling and hardening. Stay where you are. And in reality, all these stations take many years. You're still at cooling and hardening. Stay where you are. Boy, the life of a rock can be a little dull, can't it? Aren't you glad our lives aren't like that? I get to go to an igneous rock now. So I formed an igneous rock when I cooled and hardened. Go to the surface. Wow. I'm at the surface right here. So I'm no longer underground, I'm at the surface now. Where you could pick me up if you see me. You're still at the surface, stay where you are. Obviously you didn't pick me up. You're still at the surface, stay where you are. Weathering and erosion, oh boy. So what causes weathering and erosion? Wind, rain, rain getting in, and then freezing and cracking the rock a little bit. People walking on me, that causes me to weather and erode. Water, that's a great eroder. I'm still at weathering and eroding. Stay where I am. You're still at weathering and eroding. Stay where you are. You're still at weathering and eroding. Stay where you are. Boy, I'm taking a beating right now, aren't I? Getting smaller and smaller. You're still at weathering and eroding. Stay where you are. Go to sediments. Now I've been eroded down to I'm just a little sediment again. So where are sediments? Not a rock yet. I'm a sediment waiting to be formed into a rock again. Go to compaction and cementation. So now I'm getting compacted and cemented together. It kind of hurts being pushed down together like that. Now I formed a sedimentary rock. The sediments were compacted and cemented, and now I'm a rock again. Woohoo! Go to melting. Whoops, I melted. You're still at melting. Stay where you are. Go to magma. I'm in the Earth's crust again as a nice liquid form. Go to cooling and hardening. So I went to the surface and now I'm cooling and hardening. Let's see what I become this time. Go to igneous rock. Another igneous rock. Here I am. Igneous rocks are the ones that come out from are formed from magma or lava, right? So I'll always be an igneous rock. I'm to the surface. And you see the cycle goes on and on. But what we just did in a few minutes takes many, 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 many years. So I hope you enjoyed our journey as part of the rock cycle.